want a museum piece because I believe I have it for you today. I have a 1987 Porsche 911 Carrera, and this is actually a museum piece. So I will tell you about it in just a moment. But the first thing I would like to point out, it is mildly customized. And one of those customizations is going to be the paint job. So I want to consider this possibly a strawberry metallic, sort of a strawberry red metallic custom paint job, which is professionally done. And you can actually see whenever you open the doors here, there's no, it gives no indication that it was repainted to have this custom paint job at all. Because it was so professionally done. Everything was taken apart in order to repaint this vehicle into this customized, beautiful, like I said, I want to say it's a strawberry metallic red with the burgundy leather interior with the tan piping throughout, and it matches the steering wheel as well. We do have a 5-speed manual transmission, and you can see that it has little wear, and this is because, and oh wait, one of the best things, it has 32,538,000 original miles on this vehicle. It's very well documented, and the reason it only has that amount of miles is simple. It actually spent most of its life over on the east coast of Florida, I believe in Boynton Beach, at inside a museum. So what happened is the museum actually closed, and the owner of this vehicle, or the person who did own it, took it back and put it up for sale because he didn't have room, I guess, in his garage. So like I said, so awesome museum piece, well documented. Look at the, I mean, it looks, the paint job on this car is absolutely phenomenal. As I said, it was taken apart. They did an awesome job on it, and you can tell they really took their time making this the masterpiece in which it is. We do have, I believe this is
an oil cooler vent.
An oil cooler vent, excuse me. It's like I said, there is some mild customizations throughout the car, and I believe this is a sticker that could be taken off of the vehicle. So I'm going to point out a few of those things. This is going to be one of them. On the other side, there was one of the German pieces, and this is going to be your upgraded German sort of side lamp, and those can also be taken off, I believe. Am I correct on that?
Maybe not the lights, but the German flag.
The flag could be. Okay, so although they are there, they're not permanent to the vehicle, and that also includes this. Am I correct on that?
Yes.
Okay, my camera guy's gonna have to help me a little bit today because this is something he has way more knowledge on, just like every other vehicle that we review. But this one in particular, he's really got the knowledge of. So, I know he wants to be yappy on some of our other videos, but this one he needs to be.
Those are upgraded wheels.
Yep, these are upgraded wheels, and we have the Dunlop tires as well. And when the boot cover is snapped down on this vehicle, it's hard for us to open the lid. So I'm going to actually unsnap it. We're going to unsnap it together. This way it can open fully for you guys.
Okay. Also, the spoiler was added on. This is a nice add-on.
Yes, so that's going to be one of your upgrades as well. Yes. So, tell us about this.
It's a flat 6. I think it's 3 liters in that year. Fuel injected. Very proper car. No leaks, no nothing. Unmolested. That's how we would like to buy them. You know, all the original clamps are on here, like you can see. Nobody monkeyed around on this engine. And even the engine compartment was nicely done. You see a little bit over there, but otherwise a normal person couldn't tell it was repainted.
And these are upgraded tailpipes as well.
Yeah, there's a complete Borla stainless steel exhaust system with nice dips on there. And the fun thing is, let's take it for a drive, huh?
Yes, let's do that. I'll show you guys how it runs. I just wanted to show you the color combination of the top and the vehicle. This is a manual top. You just put it down with 2 little clicks, which I'm gonna show you in just a moment, but I also wanted to show you how pristine the plastic is on the top as well. Right there you can see that it's just two clips. And you push the top back and you stow it away. There is a boot cover as well. So the first thing is I want to show you guys the pedals. This is an upgraded clutch pedal, brake pedal, and of course this is our acceleration. I'm going to get it started up for you guys so you can see how awesome it runs and how well it starts up.
Fires right to life, that motor, huh? That sounds awesome.
Yeah, absolutely zero hesitation with this vehicle. 32,538 miles on the odometer. Like I said, we do have well documentation of that, and the reason it has such low mileage is strictly because this is a museum piece and it's spent most of its life in the museum. Around the instrument cluster, which I know was already shown to you, you will see the chrome, excuse me, I'm so sorry. These are upgraded, I believe, chrome.
The
yes.
chrome rings, yes.
Yeah, the chrome rings there.
Makes it a little bit more flashy.
Yes, it does. It definitely makes it more appealing as
Air
well.
conditioned blows cold, surprisingly.
Yeah, very much
Those
so.
cars never work good.
Right.
And today is not such a humid day either, so.
No, it's not bad at all.
There's an upgraded center console armrest in here, what's actually very useful. And you can open it up and with two lockable keys.
Yes. So that's
Keep
always
all your
great.
valuables in here on a convertible if you're driving it. Dashboard is perfect, never seen one like this. No.
It goes without saying that it's a non-smoking vehicle. I mean, there's certain things that are just obvious. Excuse me, go ahead.
And I was told the cover was only put on to match the color scheme of the beige. The steering wheel had no wear, they just put it on to make it look like it's part of their customization. It can be easily taken off with those